Like choose the food that I want to eat. Don't ask me, and make it and serve me hot. That's called mom. At one point, we decided that Hari is not that fascinating a name, so we started debating what name could be good for this part. And I just remembered Irfan sir's character from Lunchbox, which was called Sergeant Fernandez. I felt like there's a nice ring to it, the name, and at the same time, it's like a Sarkari Babu geek, angry young man type of a character who's got zero sex appeal, but is called Sergeant is very funny in my head. It is also palatable for all kinds of audience. It's a clean show. It doesn't have violence, nudity, or language. So it's like Shweta. It's my first show which people kids can watch. So
All right, so I have with me one of my most favorite people to always have a conversation with, Mr. Vijay Verma, joining in. Hi, Vijay, welcome. How are you?
hello, I'm very well, Shweta. How are you?
I'm doing well. It's so good to have you again. And what's even more interesting is that we're here to talk about OK Computer, which is, listen, it's absolutely crazy. Okay, if I have to define it, it's crazy. Okay, so I have a few hypothetical situations for you. ठीक है
Okay.
कंसिडरिंग ये शो जो है ये फ्यूचर में है एंड अ लॉट ऑफ आई एम गेसिंग अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेजी इन्वेंशंस एंड ऑल यू नो वी वुड सी इन द शो एज वेल मैं आपको कुछ चॉइसेस दूंगी आउट ऑफ टू ऑप्शंस कौन सा ऐसा इन्वेंशन है जो कि आप प्रेफर करेंगे टू यूज और टू यू नो जस्ट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ जो आप चूज करेंगे उसको आप
Okay.
कंप्यूटर बोलेंगे ओके
Okay.
Alright. So my first one is, would you rather have a device that takes you ahead in time or takes you back in time?
Mm, back in time. Okay, computer.
Why is that so?
I want to go back to the dinosaur era. I want to see them in real.
How nice. Okay. That's funny. Okay. Would you rather have a device that makes you invisible, or would you rather have a device that gives you the power to read people's minds?
Go invisible. That'll be so much fun.
Okay. What would you do if you were invisible?
It, I'm not saying I'm going to rob a bank, but but I might just go snoop around my friends' homes and see what they do. When I'm like कि मिलने क्यों नहीं आया नहीं नहीं मैं busy था then I'm like no you were not busy you were lying on your couch watching Netflix Hotstar.
Hotstar, Disney Plus Hotstar. Okay. Okay. Would you rather have a device that helps you communicate with animals or helps you communicate with babies?
Babies I have a great connection with. Animals I mean I understand dogs but cats man I don't get them. Yeah I would love to communicate with cats, snakes and maybe like one of the wild cats. Yeah.
Okay, so communicate with animals is okay computer then.
Okay computer. Yeah.
Would you अच्छा ये एक थोड़ा ऐसा है कि मतलब अगर फ्यूचर में ऐसा एक टेक्नोलॉजी आया which enables you to do this, which one would you choose? Have a fictional character fall in love with you, or visit any fictional world, not just the set but like the world with the same characters?
Oh my God, yeah. There are so many landscapes and times that I want to visit. I want to visit Florence when it was in the peak of Renaissance, when Da Vinci and Michelangelo were painting. And I would love to visit a Chaplin set when he was shooting. Uh, I would love to visit the moment when Gandhiji marched, the Dandi March. I would love to revisit uh, any masterpiece like a Mozart concert or closer home, I would say, when doors were performing.
Yeah.
Anything, like there's so many places I want to go and see, and experience that time.
Which these are more of non-fictional spaces, but अगर कोई ऐसा show या कोई film का कोई fictional character उस vibe में देखे तो
Lord of the Rings. I want to go to the Middle Earth.
Okay, so visit any fictional world is okay computer then.
Okay computer, yeah.
Okay. Lastly, I want to know from you, if you could invent anything, like any kind of technology that could sort of make your life easier or anything. ऐसा कुछ है?
Yeah.
What is it?
Like choose the food that I want to eat. Don't ask me, and make it and serve me hot. That's called mom.
Okay, so yes, we already have that. Lovely. Good one. Okay, that's funny. What is your favorite sci-fi film? India में इतनी फिल्में नहीं हैं उस genre में, but are you into those kind of films though? वैसे?
I mean, my favorite is Mr. India. It's a fantasy sci-fi. And a comedy as well at places. So I feel that's the great refuge for OK Computer because it's set in the future. It has a crime that has been committed, and it has somebody who's trying to come and fix this. And it is also palatable for all kinds of audiences. It's a clean show. It doesn't have violence, nudity, or language. So it's like it's my first show which kids can watch. So.
That's amazing. That is so cool. Interestingly, like you have had some really amazing projects इनके बारे में हमने time and again बात भी की है. But interestingly, what I read in the press release that came our way was that this is one of those projects which you have prepped for the longest. Why is that so? I
mean, I had to be convinced with the world personally, and I also had to understand how I can create humor in this landscape. And this is the first time I was venturing into comedy, so I wanted to make sure that I am able to understand the entire story and the world that they're creating, for me to find spaces where humor is possible, because this character, although it's a central character, but it's not a funny character. He's not the clown in the show. Everybody around him could be, but he has to be very serious. So I have to be believing in the world completely, and then the second step was to how do we make this funny, so, and also I wanted them to introduce to me their ideas about what they think about the future, about who this person is, because on paper it's not a very there's no details about this person except for that he works at the cyber cell. He was an ex-geek. He's somebody who knows tech, but he has a run-in with the tech and he doesn't like it anymore. Now he wants to fix it. This was the character brief, and it was earlier titled Hari. The character was named Hari. So then we started working, and they started to understand who I am as a person and what I can bring on the table. At one point, we decided that Hari is not that fascinating a name, so we started debating what name could be good for this part. And I just remembered Irfan sir's character from Lunchbox, which was called Sergeant Fernandez. I felt like there's a nice ring to it, the name, and at the same time, it's like a Sarkari Babu geek. Angry young man type of character who's got zero sex appeal but is called Sergeant is very funny in my head. So I felt like, let's call him Sergeant. It will be so funny when everybody around him are angry at him and still calling him Sergeant.
That was actually my next question about this. It's very interesting. It's called Sergeant Kundu, if I'm not wrong. And you also tweeted about it recently that this is like your way of paying your homage or a tribute to the legend that Irfan Khan has been. So, okay, that's interesting. I think that's all the time we had, sadly, Vijay. It's always so nice talking to you. It's so much fun. Thank you for this.
My pleasure, Shweta. Thank you.